In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to insert an image in an Asana Task Description. This is a simple way to add visual context, share screenshots, or include diagrams right where your team needs them. I'll walk you through the process on a desktop or laptop so everything is clear and consistent. Start by logging in to your Asana account on a computer. Once you're in, open the project that contains the task you want to update. In your project view, click the task to open its details panel. You'll see the task information on the right side of the screen, including the description area. Click inside the description field so your text cursor appears. This tells Asana exactly where to place the image. If you already have text in the description, move your cursor to the exact spot where you want the image to appear. That way the image will drop in line with your notes, saving you the trouble of rearranging things later. Now, add your image. You have two easy options. The quickest is to drag and drop the image file directly from your computer into the description area. If you prefer, you can also use the toolbar inside the description. Click the plus icon and select Attach File. Your computer's file picker will open, and you can choose the image you want to insert. Common formats like PNG and JPG work well, and Asana will automatically place the image where your cursor is. After you select the file, the image will appear right inside the task description. Give it a second to upload if the file is large. You'll see it display inline, which makes it easy for teammates to view without opening extra attachments. If needed, add any text around the image to explain what it shows. You can type a caption below it, add a short summary above it, or use line breaks to create clear spacing so the description remains easy to read. When you're finished, click anywhere outside the description to save your changes. Asana auto-saves, so you don't need to hunt for a separate save button. If you ever want to adjust the placement later, just click back into the description and edit your text or add another image using the same steps. That's all it takes to insert an image in an Asana Task Description. It's a small step that can make your task clearer and your collaboration smoother. If this video helped, please like, subscribe, and share. Thanks for watching.